Hey y'all, it's Danshell of Danshell Does. This is my Get Ready With Me video using pretty much all drugstore makeup. My thoughts when it comes to makeup is make up for what is missing on your face. So for me, the main ones are eyebrows. My lashes are a little bit lighter than I'd like them to be, and I like to add a little more color to my lips and cheeks. That's it. I don't really use foundation or contouring or anything like that because I have clear skin and high cheekbones anyway, so it doesn't make sense for me to put more makeup on to mimic what I already have. So basically I start with my eyebrows, and I was just struggling with these ones because I was using my phone camera, and I'm usually like eyeball straight on the mirror close to see what I'm doing because I'm legally blind. So after I do my initial fill-in and darkening, I just kind of extend out the tail, and I tend to go back and forth between the two to kind of even them out. But Jenna Marbles once said, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So I don't get too caught up in trying to make them look exactly the same perfect. After my eyebrows, I go in with a just skin toned eyeshadow, and I use a blender brush to color my whole lid in one color. If I'm feeling extra cute, I'll go in with a slightly darker tone and kind of like contour on my lid a bit, but this is like more of my everyday look, and honestly half the time I don't even wear eyeshadow because mascara usually does the trick. But the palette I'm using is this little compact ELF. What do you call those things? It's like a little booklet. It's so cute, so little, and I've had it for a while now, and it has pretty much all the colors I need to zhuzh my lids a bit and have a little to-go kit for my makeup. And it was only $3, so I don't know if that's the usual price. I got it at a discount store because that's my way. Now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, which I don't know if they sell it anymore, but I do know that you can buy pretty much any Maybelline and it will look like this. It's like slightly better than Great Lash. And I have super long lashes naturally, so all I'm doing here is just darkening them a little bit so that people can see them a bit better and to wake up my eyes. I actually got this mascara from Fashion Week. They pretty much always give makeup away during Fashion Week, and I usually work backstage, so I get dibs on whatever they're giving out on any given year, and I pretty much use whatever they give me into the ground. And by doing that, I avoid buying makeup. Now I'm going in with some blush, which my mom gave me, but pretty much any kind of sheer blush will do. And what I do is I bring it all the way up under my eyes, and I have a very light hand when doing this because one of my biggest pet peeves with makeup is when people have like clown cheek blush, because if you look at someone's face when they're naturally blushing, it's just like an overall pinkening and sheen that happens on the face, and it's not like, here's a pink dot on my cheek. So I really try and mimic that as much as possible. So I go in above my nose, below my nose, on my chin and really just make sure that it looks as natural as possible, because that's my whole vibe. I really, when I'm doing makeup, I want it to look as natural as possible. Lastly, I go in with a pink lip color. This one is by Maybelline. It's new. I don't remember the name right now, but I'll drop the name of it below in the description. And so I go in, and because I have a natural lip line already, I just kind of highlight my lower and upper lip in the middle, and then I'll go over with some sort of glossy color to just add a little bit more pop. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think about this look and what you want to